Hi, welcome to the course again. So let's get started the section 2. I know that the section 1 is more towards the theory or maybe a bit boring, but let's get started the section 2 because now we are moving towards the more practical rather than the theory. Okay, so the lecture 9 with the section 2 is the introduction to WHM. WHM is also known as web hosting manager, and it is very famous hosting manager. And the basic question is that what is WHM? It's the administrative console for cPanel based internet web hosting servers. cPanel is the control panel for users to host their web accounts and usually and operates these accounts. Usually use the ports 2082 to 2083, but if you don't know about the ports and all those stuff, so it doesn't matter. Just you should get the idea what is WHM. So WHM is the control panel for the administrator who manage the server and set up and manages the cPanel user accounts and login and operates on same ports. Basically cPanel and WHM is the same software. It's just refer to the user interface versus the administrative interface. In other words, the administrative interface is known as WHM, whereas the user interface is known as cPanel. So I think so a bit clear the picture, but I will go through and explain you what is how to use WHM. Okay. So let's get started with the WHM interface. So this is, you will see the dashboard here. One thing you should remember that when you take a server which is based on a cPanel interface, then the company provide you a username and password for WHM, and then after secure login you get this dashboard which you see over here. So let's get start from here. Here you can change log out, and here is the version. It shows that it's a WHM accelerated 2 version, and let's start it. On this side, if you can clearly see that we have a tabs, and under these tabs we have many other sub tabs. So server configuration, if you want some server configuration, you can go over there, basic cPanel and WHM setup, but you don't need this one right now because I will tell you how to create a cPanel for installing the Joomla hosting. So we don't need, it's already when they provide, the company provide you, it's already set up here, so you don't need to support. If you need some support things, you can configure customer support contacts and all these things. Your languages and all those stuffs you can do over here as locals. Cluster and remote access, if you want to remote access WHM and all those things come here. Server status is tell you that server information. If you click over there, it's tell you that total processors over there. Then Intel Genuine, it tell you the name of the processor, like it's 2.6 gigahertz speed, cache, and all the server information which you get from there. And then if you want to check the server status, you can see over here if there is some problem, you will see some red or yellow sign over here, but here you can see everything is working and working very good. Okay, so let's see the account information. This is the account information. This is where you need to add the cPanel's account. Let's check over there. You can see I have 2 domains here. That domains refer to the cPanel, and there is an IP address and all those stuffs. And here you have the packages and partitions, and you have how many disk use already this website, and then you have a theme, you can select it, and you are a owner or you want to resell. Some people want to resell the remaining GBs which they have to another users. So let's go through another one. This is account functions. If you want to create a new account function, I will explain you in the next lecture that we will go to create and add the domain. So if you want to add the domain, this is account function under, you need to create these ones. and if you want to modify, you can modify over here. So this is an important, most of the time of yours in spend is account information and account functions. And then we go to multi-account functions. You can go over there and you can modify multiple account action. You can terminate the multiple accounts. Here front page is also available. Install the front page extension. You can easily install it here. And then the themes, if you want to change the theme, you can change the theme of WHM, but for me the basic one is good, and also for teaching you it's better to I maintain the same one, so that when you started you will get the same theme and same tabs around it. So here is the packages. You can add the packages. Packages is like I can see the quotas, so let's click on the edit the package. So add a package. So here you can name of the package. For example, you want 4 websites. So 2 website you want to give the quota, for example 2000 MB you want to give for quota. So that package you can call it a small package. And then monthly bandwidth, if you want to give, you can give the monthly bandwidth. For example, I want to give the 6000 MB I want to give. Then FTP, maximum FTP count I want to set, and then the maximum email account, how many account I want for that package, and all those stuffs. And subdomains, and you can add databases, and of course park domains. You can add on domains as well. So in the option you can see the dedicated IP. Usually the company provide you one dedicated IP when you buy the server, but you can buy additional dedicated IP as well. And then the theme, and you can add this one. If you click it, add, the package will add it. And then when you create your account in the account functions, then as I explain you later on, then you can choose the package. So here you can see already there are packages available, so I can choose the package around it. So therefore we use these packages, and we create these packages to manage over domains more better. DNS function is a domain name server. So here you can add or delete or added DNS entries. These DNS we will going to set up in the later lecture, how to do DNS. It's very easy, it's not that difficult. And then emails, okay, that we will basically set up emails in the cPanel. Here you can go and look the cPanel. You can branding the cPanel according to your needs. You can live editor if you click over here. Yeah, so here we got it to see which you want and how you want to change. So you can see over here, you can brand it over here, put your name as well. Okay, you can apply. So you can see many themes are here. So it's really and good to edit and customize for yourself, especially if you are in resale business. Okay, so some plugins if you want, then here the plugins and instant installations of the script, but we will not touch this one because I will install Joomla manually, and I will explain you how you can install all the things. So this is the basic introduction for WHM. If you need any other information about it, or you stuck somewhere here for the configuration and all, some other question related to WHM, please post me on Udemy website, and I will love to answer all of your questions. Thank you. Bye bye. Until next time.